Welcome to the third lesson on solving, and this time we're going to look at what we have to do when we've got brackets involved. Now this will draw in what we've done on the previous two lessons as well, or the previous two sections. So we'll jump straight into an example. The only new skill that we have to remember here is how to expand a bracket. So in a situation like this, we have a 3 outside that's being multiplied by 2x, and then that 3 is then multiplying by 3. I'll mention at this point to remember your symbols. Here we've got 3, which acts like positive 3. So the symbols don't change. This remains as positive x, and this will remain as a positive number. If you have a negative outside that you're multiplying by, don't forget to change the signs of your various terms. So what we'll do here is we'll multiply out. So 3 times 2x is 6x, and 3 times 3 is 9, giving us the next line. This 39 hasn't changed because it has nothing to do with the bracket. So that's 3 is not multiplying by that 39, so it stays exactly the same. Once we get to this stage, we're at exactly the same point we were at the start of the first set of questions. We just have a 2-step equation to solve following the rules. So this plus 9 is the first thing we need to cancel out. We do this by doing the opposite to both sides, so we minus 9 from both sides, leaving us with 6x equals 30. Again, my x is pretty much in line all the way down. My equal sign's in line all the way down, so we can keep track of exactly where everything is. The next thing we need to cancel is the 6, so we're going to divide by 6 on both sides. Dividing by 6, 6x divided by 6 gives us x, 30 divided by 6 gives us 5, and we've got to an answer. Again, it's a good time to pause this so that you can copy down the example. I'm not going to go through any more examples, but just point out a couple of other types of question. The first one, this line here, shows we've got a bracket on each side, so we just expand each bracket individually before we start solving. Here we then end up with letters on both sides, so we would need to use the stuff we did in the second part of the lesson. On this one, we only have one bracket, but we have an extra term on that side as well, so once we've expanded the bracket, we'll have to collect like terms. That's it for this part. I've kept it short and sweet. If you need any extra help, ask, or I'll try and get some extra examples put up as and when they're needed.